Hi y'all, it's your girl HHG. I am outside in Virginia, Newport News to be exact, at the Indian dealership. Whew. So long story short, I'm here for the all-female ride. First all-female ride event in Virginia, Portsmouth, Virginia. It kicks off today, Friday, and the weather was not being a good boy, so I decided to fly up to Virginia, rent a bike, and participate still. So we are here, and we are on two wheels. Check it out. Let's check out this beauty. It's really a beauty. I can't wait to show y'all a lot of the features, but for now, let's get into it. I had no plans to rent a motorcycle, to rent an Indian. It was God's plan. Everything just fell into place because I really didn't want to miss out on this event because I actually planned to come here for months. But I'm grateful, I'm thankful. Let's ride and test it out. You'll see it. Watch this video all the way to the end. You don't want to miss anything.
We outside!
So beautiful. So many women riders on foot. As soon as police escort. We got the whole interstate to ourselves. They shut down the